Ladies and gentlemen, we are beginning with the story which is coming in from Hyderabad, where the stage is set for the cancellation of Sandhya Theatre's license. In fact, now the police has served a show cause notice to the Sandhya Theatre seeking an explanation as to why the theatre license should not be cancelled. The notice directs the theatre management to provide a response within 10 days, failing which the license will be cancelled. Now, this is in with respect to the stampede that took place at the screening of premiere of the Pushpa 2 movie, where Allu Arjun was himself present, which resulted in the death of a woman and her child being severely injured. Uma Sudhir, my colleague, joins us with more details at this moment. Arrest of the star, and now the theatre is facing cancellation of license. The police and the government are talking tough there, Uma.
Certainly, because as many as 9 people were from the theatre management side were in fact booked as accused, and at least half of them had been arrested and few of them were absconding. And on the day that Allu Arjun got his bail, the other people who had been arrested in the case also got bail. But subsequently, evidence has emerged. Earlier, the police was claiming about not having given permission, but then there was that letter that Sandhya Theatre had put out saying that we had informed the police, but the stamp that was there on the letter was told to us that it is only an acknowledgement by the police saying that we have received such an application, but that on the 4th of December, they have now, they had submitted in court saying that on the 4th of December, they had denied permission for the actor and the heroine, as well as the other production unit, even his family, not to come to that place because of particular reasons. And all those reasons have been in fact listed in the notice that has now been issued to Sandhya Theatre, saying that not just the 70mm theatre, 35mm theatre is also there, that there were only a single exit and entry point, and that they had not taken adequate arrangements, they had not informed the police, they did not have the permission for doing what they did, and that the private security of Allu Arjun had also added to the chaos and confusion, that there was not enough people manning the lower balcony where the overcrowding in fact happened, and those people who were unauthorized or not authorized to enter without any valid tickets, they had also barged in, who had come along with the actors. So several irregularities that they have pointed out in this particular letter, notice that they have issued to the Sandhya Theatre management, saying that within 10 days, if they do not provide a satisfactory reply, the theatre could actually face a shutdown. Its license could be cancelled. One of the other points that they have mentioned is huge flexes that had been erected in that area. All those adding to the irregularities that the police is talking about, saying that Sandhya Theatre management as well as the star in this case, they have held criminally liable for what happened on that day. This comes on also on a day when both the Hyderabad Police Commissioner as well as the Health Secretary visited KIMS Hospital, where, as we had reported, 9-year-old Sritej has been on a ventilator for the last 12 days, and his condition certainly reason for worry after having lost the mother. Now the son also still struggling to stay alive, and the family, of course, hoping against hope that he will be back, but it is going to be a long haul, is what they
Uma, also some news reports which suggested that the actor wanted to go and meet, Allu Arjun wanted to go and meet the injured child as well, and he was denied that permission.
No, he was not denied any permission, but it is just should I say, the situation is that the father of the child, Sritej's father, Bhaskar, had in fact complained. It was on his complaint that all these cases were booked, and the criminal liability, culpability is being spoken about. So he has said in a note that he has issued in the public domain as well as on social media, saying that his legal advisors have advised him not to go and visit the family in the hospital because of the legal complications that could follow from something like this. But there are certain reports suggesting that the government could go ahead and challenge, in fact, the bail that's been granted to him, the reprieve for 4 weeks that's been granted to the actor, that they could challenge that with the additional evidence that they are now putting forth, saying that there was no express police permission, and that the star had gone there without permissions. Either the theatre, messed it up and did not convey properly the information, or someone decided to go ahead despite not having express permission from the police. Back to you.